Hello and welcome to Snake Named Anton, a project for CS50’s Introduction to Programming with Python, made by Nikolai from Vilnius, Lithuania, at the end of 2022. This is my attempt at creating classic Snake game. It's controlled by WASD and also the arrow keys. The game features pictures with transparency and sounds. Foot position is selected randomly every time. Snake wraps on screen border. Game over screen on contact with self. And then the game restarts. The game is fully customizable, and you can select your desired resolution, cell number, and game speed. Game speed is variable. You can easily see by increasing the game speed interval. He's going faster. Now he's very fast, but of course it might be too fast at some point. So there is a game speed limit setting that you can adjust yourself. And we've hit it. Let's put it back down to smaller. You can increase or decrease the field as you like. You can make it very small snake. Or a very big one. You can also go to extremes, but I wouldn't recommend it. There is also a win condition, when you dominate half the field. You can change the resolution to your desired screen size. It will adjust automatically. The speed is not controlled by frames per second, but instead is handled by a separate event, which makes it fully adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I hope you'll check out my project. Goodbye.